Hello people, so actually I couldn't do the opening door room tour because I had already gotten my room. It was so hot. I had to take bath and you can see all my stuff here and there. This is basically naturally me. So this is the door, this is how you enter, there's the card, key card, my phones, my pizza. I went all day, like 700 meters up the street to get the pizza. So yeah, came back, took my shower, and here I am. So yeah, this is the messy room. It's YouTube on the TV, some lace I bought from India, and some of my clothes, which were dampened. So yeah, electric stove, microwave oven, wash basin. Here is the washroom. I have taken a shower, so you know what it is. So yeah. And there is a balcony. And that side, you see aircraft taking off. And yep, this is down there. Yeah, well, those are my two clothes. They were down, so I'm just drying them out. So yep. And my last hotel that I stayed in was also there. 7 days premium. Yeah, it's that side. So that's the room tour. And that's the not main road, but the street, 10 Suncolm Street. So, yeah.